I'd also remember Peter as the mentor. His naturally youthful attitude was very much in sync with the ALC, again, as Professor Bumi said, all of the fellows. And he often glowed with pride whenever he interviewed and interacted with the talented and fine African minds selected to the fellowship programs. With excitement, he would speak of the intellectual strength demonstrated by the fellows, which indeed was an affirmation of his belief that Africa is endowed with all of the necessary talents to drive our development, progress, and change. He took his mentoring role seriously, and as a matter of fact, he not only mentored the fellows, but truth be told, he mentored some of us on the board too. And from when I first met Peter in 1995, he's always served as the mentor